Ever notice how a quiet summer evening is actually pretty noisy? It's mostly these guys. Crickets clearly have a lot to say. That familiar, persistent chirp is an advertisement meant to get the attention of her. It's his mating call. So, how is he actually making the sound? Check this out. On the underside of his wings, there's this little line of tiny microscopic teeth, all in a row. It's called the file. His wings also have a hard edge, right here, called the scraper. When he rubs his wings together, the scraper on the bottom wing grates across all those teeth on the top wing. Researchers call it stridulation. Here it is slowed down. His wing strokes happen faster than your eye can see. For this species, about 8 wing strokes in a single chirp. But not every chirp has amorous intentions. If a male runs into another male, he also has an angry-sounding rivalry call. He's saying, "Hey, this is my turf." Okay, back to business, drawing in the ladies. She looks a lot like the males, except she has this long, pointy ovipositor right here that she uses to lay her eggs underground. Oh, also, she can't chirp. Her wings don't have the same musical instruments that his do. She just listens to the serenade with her ears, which are on her front legs. That's one right there. It's called a tympanum. Okay, he's got her attention. But she's not convinced. So he switches up his tune again to a courtship call. It's quieter, more subtle, like a whisper. Seems as though she likes what she hears. So, she hops on. After a lifetime of crooning, the file on a male's wing starts to get worn down. His song gets a bit raspy and low. Aw, you still got it, buddy.